The kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no one for me, it's only you. I want you going through. I wanna be
What they do, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Hey girl, if you are new here, my name is Shay. Please don't forget to like, comment, and wait. Let's start over. What they do, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Hey girl, if you are new here, my name is Shay. I film all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and nursing school, and also vlogs. So if you like any of those things that I just mentioned, then baby, subscribe, because this is the spot for you. Period. But anyway, y'all, we are in Jamaica. Hey, who in Jamaica? Hey, yo, we in Jamaica. Hey, yo, we are in freaking Jamaica, y'all. I just showed y'all the Airbnb. If not, I'll insert clips right now. So yeah, we're in Jamaica. We just got to our Airbnb. We got on the plane, we got our rental car. We also went to the hip strip already, and that was fun. I'm gonna tell y'all about that later. But yes, we are having so much fun already. We went to Mega Mart. Hold on, babe. Yeah, I'm vlogging. We went to Mega Mart already. I gotta show y'all all the stuff we got. Got it? It is, ooh, it's hot out there though. I know you hot. But yes, you guys, so we went to Mega Mart and got some groceries. So I'm gonna show y'all all that. But overall, so far, this place is really freaking nice. Like, you see this refrigerator? I don't got no refrigerator like that. You see the stove? Flat top. It's a flat top. Jesus. This place is really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all just like an overview of all the groceries we got, because basically I'm just gonna be making breakfast and like we'll have snacks, but all the other times we're gonna go out to eat. So I just figured let's get some stuff. So let me show y'all. Hold on. Okay, so I just got some drinks. I thought this would be pretty cool. Let's see what it says. Cool melon berry. Never had it. I don't know if it's soda or juice, but we'll see. I just got some pancake mix, some peanut butter and jelly, just in case, like on excursions, if we get hungry and it's not time for lunch yet, we'll just eat that real quick. Got water, cheese, another little different type of drink. It's a pineapple. I think this is a pineapple soda. Yeah, got some fruit, snacks, juice, eggs, bread, sausage, yaddy. They are so nice. We got our Airbnb from airbnb.com. I I'll link the Airbnb after, I guess we leave. After the trip's over, I'll go back in and link it. But they are so nice. They left us red stripe, and that's one of the things that I've been wanting to try since before, when I was doing research and looking online and seeing what was what. I heard that the people love them some red stripes, so we're gonna see what that's all about. But yeah, we're here. We on itinerary today. We already went to the grocery store. I'm dead. We found some goods. But anyway, today on the itinerary, we already traveled to Jamaica. We got on the plane, we got the rental car, we went and got groceries. Now, oh, and we went to the hip strip and we went shopping. Now we're gonna wait and chill out until it's time to go to Rose Hall Great House. I'm gonna take y'all with me, so yeah. And then later on tonight, we're going to Pelican Grill. So we're gonna do a little outfit change, get ourselves together. I gotta touch up my makeup. Touch up my makeup. But I'm gonna see y'all a little bit later. Bruh. Yeah, so I ended up getting tore up and was unable to record that night. So here's the next day.
I'm upset. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over sex. That's why they need me out the way, what you expect. Got a lot of blood and it's cold. They keep trying to get me for my soul. Thankful for the women that I know. Can't go 50-50 with no hope. Every month I'm supposed to pay her bills and get her what she want. I still got like 7 years of doing what I want. My dad still got child support from 1991. Out of town, people love to pop a lot of shit and come around. Word to Flocko Jody, he just feed us, put it down. Niggas asking if I'm cool, I'm upset. 100,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. You tryna check, this is real life. Niggas think we playing chess. So what's next? Jump up out the bed like I'm possessed. I go out on tour and I say I'm drinking less. And I'm getting loose and getting pictures from my ex. SMS, triple X. That's the only time I ever shoot below the neck. Why you keep on shooting if you know that nigga dead? That's the only kind of shit that gets you some respect. Got a lot of blood and it's cold. They keep trying to get me for my soul. Thankful for the women that I know. Can't go 50-50 with no hope. Every month, she don't even love me, she just putting on the front. She gon' try and set a lot of court and make a run. They gon' ask me how I'm doing, I'm upset. $500,000 on my head, I can't accept, yeah. At least it made me feel like someone tried their best, yeah. Wanna waste $500,000, be my guest. Make me wanna buy a vest and a tech. But I'm blessed, I just checked. Hate me, never met me in the flesh. Say she got some things she gotta come here and collect. That shit is in a box to the left, to the left.
Good morning, you guys. Great morning. I gotta tell y'all about last night. I gotta see when I'm gonna be able to sit down and have a story time, but I'm about to get dressed. But we had a great time last night. We went on the Rose Hall Great House tour. I highly recommend, if you're ever in Montego Bay or close to the area, go to the Rose Hall Great House tour. Like, the tour is after dark, because the Rose Hall Great House is like this abandoned house that's like from the 17 to 1800s, and basically it tells like this crazy love story where the mistress strangles the husband, or the husband strangles the mistress. I can't remember, but it was mistresses and other women and infidelity and death. So it was a good story. But Me and my boyfriend, we was just having the time of our lives. We had so much fun last night. So as you can see, I made breakfast. And today on the itinerary, we have to go ATV riding. Then we are going to Doctor's Cave Beach today, I believe. And I think we're going... I have to check and see what's all on the itinerary. But yeah, so I just ate breakfast. I'm about to get dressed. My phone ran out of, my camera ran out of storage. But I'm gonna see if I can delete something else or put something on my computer and then see what I can do. But I am going to just finish my drink and get dressed, and I'm gonna see y'all a little bit later.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits a block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, I'm in a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size.
Yeah.
Flares giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits a block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
Hello, good people. Hey guys, so we did the, what is it, Rastafarian Safari Tour, or Rasta Safari experience, something like that. We did that. It was so great. A driver came and picked us up and took us up into the mountains of Jamaica, and basically we got to like take on Rastafarian culture for a day. So we rode ATVs through the whole, like through, I don't know if it was one village or more than one village. It was pretty big. So we rode the ATVs through the village. We got to look at the plants. They had a ganja farm. We got to look at all the fruit that grows, and they had so many good facts and things to tell us, and just so we can be educated about the Rastafarian culture. It was so nice. Like, it was a really nice experience. Everyone was really nice. I got to try this, it was almost like a wine cooler. My boyfriend's right here. It was almost like a wine cooler, but it was sorrel flavored, which sorrel is a Christmas drink that Jamaicans drink, and it's from a plant. I forget what kind of plant it is. I don't know if it's the sorrel plant or what, but it's a drink that they drink around the holidays. So it was really good. Yeah, so we did that. We had fun. We also they provided us with lunch. It was a vegetarian lunch. That was actually good. We had rice and peas, mixed vegetables, or like, yeah, I'm gonna call them mixed vegetables. They were shredded vegetables, I don't know. And we had veggie balls. That's what we call it, veggie balls. That's not an attractive name, but they was good. They was good. Yep. So we got back here at 4:30. Now on the itinerary, we're going out to dinner tonight to a place called Sugar Mill. So I'm gonna let you guys see how that place looks. It's supposed to be a really nice, like, elegant restaurant. So your girl got to get dressed for that. It is 5:27, and I gotta record on my phone because I don't have any more storage on my phone, on my camera. But it's 5:30. We need to leave at 6:15, so it's really about time for us to get dressed. Huh? What? Spit it out. What? The iron?
Yeah.
What? Oh, okay. But yeah, so we are about to go ahead and get dressed, and I'm gonna turn the camera on next time something eventful is going on. But right now we're just drinking and enjoying the views. We're just drinking. Oh, excuse the knife. I'm using that to mix up my drink. But yeah, we're just drinking and enjoying the views. So we'll catch up with y'all later. Well, I will.
I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
Now I done been with different kind of girls, feel like I done seen them all, but ain't none of them at all.
Like you,
And I done seen the best of the best, baby, still I ain't impressed, cause ain't none of them at all.
like you,
And you know how I feel when I chill, if I'm seen with a girl, then she gotta be just
like you.
and maybe that's the way I feel, and I got no choice but for me to keep it real. Cause when we first got together, started hanging out, you was skeptical at first, had to figure out if I was the kind of guy that try to dog you out, but I ain't that kind of guy you try to make me out. You found out when you turned to my baby, I showed them other brothers how to treat a lady. I let you drive when I ride that Mercedes, and I ain't tripping or acting shady, cause baby, you know I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me, in a special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me, and I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
And every time I think about you, when you ride, when you call, when you come around, your love is amazing to me. I can't wait till I see you. I wanna be with you again. And every time you're out on the road, and whenever I'm doing a show, that I'm your main chick. Who got the game chick? One and the same chick, the one you can hang with.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me, in a special way.
Ice tray on nigga flooded. Ice. If a nigga hater, call him Joe Budden. Cool outside and it's press button. Like that nigga mad cause your bitch fucking. Fuck it. Ice trader gang. 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 Alexander Wayne. Rich Eddie Kane. Drop top McLean. Park it at the flame. Think I was insane. With my jeweler brain. Hiding Kirk Cobain.
Y'all, I am so sorry. I have not been able to vlog like that. But I will insert some clips of the things that I've been doing. Yesterday, I went rafting on the Martha Bray River. It was so freaking beautiful. Like, it was surreal. It was like I didn't even know that existed on the planet. Like, it was so beautiful. And we just floated down the river, and the man raft, like, he drove it with like a tall wooden stick, and we were on a wooden raft, so it was just so beautiful. We just got to take in the scenery. It was so beautiful. What else did we do yesterday? That was pretty much it. We just restocked on a little bit of breakfast stuff, and went to dinner last night to Houseboat Grill. That was good. I enjoyed my food thoroughly. It was really good. But we have just been having so much fun. And then a thing happened the other night at Sugar Mill. I got proposed to the other night at Sugar Mill. It was so beautiful. The night couldn't have been any more freaking perfect. We had a really nice dinner. The ambiance was great. It was a very high class restaurant. We ate our food, and then he stops the waiter, tells the waiter to start recording. He comes around the table. I cannot remember what he said because my nerves were just so bad, but he asked me to marry him. So it was just so beautiful, and of course I said yes, hence why I'm wearing it. But yes, that night couldn't have been any more perfect. So I'm having the best time of my freaking life. I don't want to go back. Today is the last day. Girl, today is the last day. We're about to go waterfall climbing in Blue Hole, Duns River Falls, and somewhere else. I don't remember. But I am about to, we have already had breakfast. I've been cooking breakfast every morning. And then we just get dressed and get picked up by our driver for the excursions during the day. But later on in the day, we rented a car so we can just sit back and forth and drive what we want to drive. And driving in Jamaica is so different because in Jamaica, they drive on the left side of the highway. We drive on the right side. They drive on the left side of the highway, so it's different. And then the steering wheel is on the right side of the car. Yeah. So it's like, it's so, I haven't like gotten scraped anything or anything like that, but it's just been so nerve-wracking. Like, it makes you anxious because you're used to driving the complete opposite way and you're driving opposite. So I've been doing the driving because my boyfriend was just like, my nerves too. So he just sit on the passenger seat and clench his chest and try and tell me the directions because I can't look at the directions and drive at the same time. So he be telling me the directions. But yeah, we've been having too much fun. This freaking room is beautiful. The Rastafarian experience tour, that thing was so beautiful. I learned so much. And Jamaica is just a really beautiful place. We are just so sad that we have to leave tomorrow, but today is the last full day. So on the itinerary, we are going rafting. We're going waterfall climbing. We are going, hopefully, fingers crossed, we get back in time, to the Luminous Lagoon tour. And that's like glistening water. Like, there's these microorganisms in the water where if you jump in, that they start to illuminate and glow around you, so the water turns like a bright blue color. So we're gonna go see that if we have time. Hopefully, I hope we do. And then we're just going to dinner to Pier 1. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all once I have gotten myself together, because I got to take this makeup off from last night because I'm not gonna be out there with all this on. And yeah, girl. So I'm going to check in with y'all later.
She just let me know, but they saw no fear. It ain't safe from here, but she still gonna hold on. It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't run from riding us, guns, drugs, violence, guns, drugs, violence. Oh, won't let you go.
Okay guys, so it is time for us to go. I don't want to leave. We had so much fun, so many good times. But Jamaica, we gonna be back. We're gonna be back for round 2 because this trip was too perfect. It was too fun, too lit, and it was full of excursions and good vibes. So we about to head to the airport, and I'm going to let you guys know when we get home safely, and then I'm going to end off the vlog, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I am back home. So sorry about the quality, my God. But I've been lost all my storage, so I need to get another SD card. But overall, the trip was so fun. I'm so horrible with the vlogging these days. I was so, you know, into having fun and into catching all the vibes. So hopefully I got enough good footage for y'all. I got the views for y'all. I definitely got the views. And it was just such an amazing trip. And I had a great time, and I really just didn't want to leave. But that's it for the vlog. If you got to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, you. Please make sure to stay tuned for more content coming up in the near future. And I'm going to see you when I see ya. Peace.